Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds with girls. I went by Office Depot. I got surprise, okay? Like Goomba Pow. I went up in there. They was having a clearance sale. I got you video of that. I checked out the toll planners because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for 2021. So we got those goodies for you, okay? If you like what you see, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe if you also like what you see. You know what I mean, right? And I'll see you at the end to say my bye-byes. Enjoy. Knock, hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo and a girl is at Office Depot for the sale. This is a clearance sale that's ridiculous, okay? I'm just going to tell you right now. I went up in here and I saw this and I said, oh no, I got to get these for my girls. So if you like what you see, please hit that like button down there. If you haven't subscribed, hit that too. So we're going to just take you through here. They've got organizing kits for home and for recipes. They got a small version, they got a large version. They got the binders to go with it, they got the dividers, they got the stickers. Oh yeah, did I tell you? It's the prices? Okay, let's just start right here. I can't even tell you, it's just so much stuff, okay? These recipe kits, now I'm gonna think this one, this recipe organizer, I think this one's 74 cents because I know the small organizing kit is 44 cents, okay? We got the stickers for the organizers, okay? 24 cents. 24 cents. Now they got these bigger ones, these bigger decals right here that go on the outside of the books, okay? Now this one, that's $1, okay? That's $1. They got the binders in various colors. I got a couple of binders. I got a lot of accessory kits, the organizer, for the home and for recipe that's going to go in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That's another thing I'm adding to the pot, okay? Look at this. The big binders, $1.94. Okay, the big binders are $1.94. The small binders, pink and green, are 64 cents. Yeah, did I say 64 cents? Oh, yeah, I did. And here we go. The home organizing kit. Yeah. Yeah, that's 44 cents if I didn't tell you that. Just 44 cents. Just throw 50 cents on the counter and tell them to keep the change. You know what I mean? So I could not miss this opportunity. This is a find that you did not want to miss, and I didn't want you to miss. Okay, here go the dividers right here. Okay, dividers. 24 cents. Stop it, Office Depot. Office Depot trying to give the stuff away, and I'm trying to get it for you. Now here goes the big binders, okay? They come in navy blue and the tan are the big binders. The small binders are the green and the pink. I wish they had the blue and the small, but they don't, okay? So 64 cents for the small ones. Okay, the large ones are $1.94. $1.94. Okay, I'm all in. I'm all in, okay? So they're undated, so that's the thing I like about them. I'm going to get them. And that'll be a good giveaway. You can start them anytime you want to. Now let's look at these toll planners because I've been trying to make the decision. I'm looking now at what I'm going to do for my 2021 planner. Okay, I'm in my happy planner now. Okay, this is a disc binder as well, but the only thing is there one disc ring shorter than a happy planner. So the classic happy planner is 9 ring. This is 8. Oh. I mean, I love the outside of it. This like faux leather cover. Here's the thing. Once you buy it, all you have to do is buy the refills every year. Unless you want to change out the cover, which they do have interchangeable covers. You can buy different covers. So, that was good. The prices on these student planners are crazy. So get in if you're looking for a planner. Student planner, teacher planner. Right now, the prices here are really, really good on these toll, okay? So if these are all the refillable portions of it, so if you're looking for maybe you've already got it. If you have this planner, let me know how you like it because I'm trying to figure out if I want to move into it. The only downside of it is the punch. So I may have to kind of shop on the punch part because the punch price was kind of like $41, something like that. So these the expansion kits, so you can buy these kits as a refillable thing. They got these tabs, interchangeable tabs here. Here's that punch, $41.59. Now you can only buy these toll online or either Office Depot, so I think it's exclusive. So here I'm going to let you get a closer look at this student planner here for the 2021 period right here. So I wanted to open it up and let you see. This one did start in July and it runs till June of next year. It's got a little clear pocket there. It comes with some stickers already included. Like that. I like that. So just to let you see what the layout looks like and see if it's something that that you might like. It was nice looking at it. To me, the monthly boxes might be a little bit too small for me, but I like the fact that they're lined on the monthly. Okay, so and this is a weekly. It runs as a horizontal. So that is that planner right there. See, you can just swap out the inside of it every year. So, oh, and here was some cover designs. These are like replaceable covers you can use. Some disc bound covers. They had it for the smaller version and for the larger version. So, if you want to change it out, there is that option they have there. They also had it for the big planner as well. So they had a couple of different options here. Some mini half sheets. Okay, and they also had some business card holders here for the small version and for the larger planner. So that right there is a little extra thing there. Not bad. The small business card holder $9.99. The large one's $12.99. That's not a bad price. And with the interchangeable covers too, $9.99 for the bigger one and $6.99 for the small version, the classic size. That's a good price. Okay, now here's some of the discs. I don't think these disc prices are bad at all. Okay, so they're plastic rings. They're not metal. And if you want metal rings and you don't like these, I have been known to order. Well, I just recently started ordering. I ordered a couple of pairs of rings from Ink T United. INKT United. They do a metal ring and it comes as a dragonfly in the middle of it, but I think she has other ones too. So if that's something you're interested in. Now here's some mini covers, okay, mini notebooks, some mini notebooks like the four ring mini notebooks, they have 5 rings. So here's some post-it notes, some self-sticking post-it notes there. They got a pen holder. They got a little bit of everything. They got a pouch that you can insert in there. So I like that pen holder. That's not bad, $7.99. Okay, storage pouch that you just pop inside the planner. So they got their own ruler. They got everything in here. The little ruler that fits around the rings there. So yeah, but I just wanted to let you see all the guts of this planner, so that way if you're looking at it, you have any questions about it, maybe you're considering it, hey, it might be something you have been looking at, as well as I have been looking at other options too. Now, here's what I'm excited about. These journals, they got bullet journals. They got bullet journals at Office Depot, and the prices ain't bad, okay? So I just want you to see these. These right here I picked up, and we're going to do a little quick flip through of them, but I thought these were neat right here. I thought this was a bullet journal, but it isn't. It's just a notebook, and I picked it up. But I am going to flip through the other journals just to see what they look like in the inside for you. Okay, so here's the first bullet journal that I picked up here. I thought this is one that caught my eye because, if you're a planner girl, there's a lot of bullet journal girls out there. So I thought you might be interested in this one. So picked this one up and did just a quick flip through for you so you could see what the inside of it looks like. So just giving you some options here. I just have never seen this one. If I've seen one before, I usually won't pick it up. But this is one I have not seen this one before. And if there's anything you're looking for, let me know if there's any type of journal you're looking for, or if there's anything in general as a find that you've been looking for and you haven't been able to see. I'd be glad to keep an eye out for it. And if I do, Miss Yo-Yo, she'll bring it to you because I'm all about the finds. Okay, I love doing these videos, going out and finding things like this. And this was another one. So this was a health journal. So this one right here was pretty cool. And you know what? This is the kind of journal I would look and see if it's at Five Below. And if I see it at a better price than this, I'll let you know. So just did a quick flip through so you can see what it looks like from the inside. Okay, now here are some of the paper packs here. I kind of like these because they have a different color to them. That one's like a light lavender. This one was a green one. I actually have that green one already. I bought it a couple of months ago and just use it sometime. I fold it in half and just use it as an insert inside my planner to write down something. But they've got these little starter kits here. They come with the half sheets, the dashboard, plastic dashboard with the sticky notes on there. $10.99 with paper. That's pretty good. So the prices on these aren't bad at all. The paper I bought was $5.49, so it's still at that price. Yeah, but they've got paper different sizes here. So if you want to buy refillable paper, they've got it here. I think the prices on the refillable paper is pretty darn good. So just wanted to show you all the options down there. And they got this big old book right here. This is like a daily planner, that big one. So I don't know. I guess that's the one that's like $29. So if you've got a big, that looks like that might be a desk size. But as far as the other ones, I think the prices are pretty good. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you saw something you like. Now, if you want to see more of my videos, you can check them out over here. And if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Yoyofinds. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.